Alright, figure 3. It gives me an angle and asks me to find theta, the other angle here. As soon as I see two angles, I'm thinking, hey, this is probably law of sines. I have the 78. I have a measurement across from it. I'm trying to find this angle. I have the side across from it. Yep, that's going to be law of sine. So I'm going to set it up. The sine of 78 degrees over its opposite side, which in this case is 22, it'll be equal to the sine of this angle, which we don't know, over its opposite side, 17. Those proportions are always going to be true in any triangle. So now all I have to do is go ahead and try to find theta here. So I'm going to cross multiply. Well, it's called cross multiplication, and we call it the means extremes. In America, they call it cross product rule. But we know 22 times the sine of theta, like I said, the real name is means extremes, is equal. So those multiplied equals 17 times that. 17 times the sine of 78. Now I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to try to get sine of theta by itself here. I'm going to divide by the 22 first. That way I just have everything in one nice equation. I only have to do it once. So I have the sine of theta is equal, it's going to be approximately, I'm going to do 17 times the sine of 78, then divide by 22. Did it a minute ago and it gave me 0.755841, blah, 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 blah. Now, how do you get theta by itself? You got to get rid of the word sine. To get rid of the word sine, we take the inverse sine and away she goes. But whatever you do on the left side, you have to do on the other side to keep that equation balanced. So I'm going to take the inverse sine of all this. When I did that, I got theta is approximately 49 degrees. It's like 48.99 something, I don't know. So theta, 49 degrees. This guy right here has got to be 49 degrees because the sine of 49 divided by 17 is the same as sine of 78 over 22. Those ratios are all going to end up being the same. And that's what we have with law of sines.